Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I bring you home decoration and home design ideas. In this video, I'm going to show you modern wardrobe design. The beauty of bedroom is not only just due to its decoration and designing. Wardrobe gives an aesthetic beauty to the bedroom. They give more area for storing huge and small items such as clothes, bed sheets, curtains, etc. in an organized manner. Nowadays, there is a lot of material available in the market from which you can choose the clothes which are modern in look and have an elegant wardrobe design with an ample amount of space. Wardrobes are actually an idea which you can modify in any way. They will make your simple cupboards look more special and elegant. There are several types of wardrobes based on materials and number of doors which you can choose for your bedroom. The two-door sliding wardrobe is the one with two sliding doors on both sides. It has many shelves and drawers for putting hangers, clothes, and other accessories such as wallets and belts. It looks very stylish from outside and similarly from inside it has everything placed in an aesthetic manner. Hence you have a lot of space to arrange things properly. If you want one of the best brands for sliding door wardrobe, choose waxing wardrobe. It is not always true that a good looking item is available at higher rates only. Monal wardrobe is the true example of that. This is a perfect example of bedroom wardrobe design at a very reasonable rates. There are many other customization options you can choose for multi-panel sliding door wardrobes. They are extremely beautiful in look and give a perfect elegance to the bedroom. This wardrobe comes with a hanging rail and drawers inside. With beauty, it comes with the perfect space. You can enhance the look of your bedroom with this extra large wardrobe. Vintage wardrobe comes with many drawers and shelves for keeping clothes, jewelry, foils and other accessories. If you are planning to have a cupboard with doors that you can paint in your style, then the laminated door cupboards are a perfect choice for you. You can get your wardrobe laminated with clay or timber for a more finished look. A closet room is the dream of every woman who does not own one yet. The reason is that women like to be surrounded by their fancy clothes and accessories to walk inside the kingdom of style and try to all possible combination. But closet rooms are not just a female caprice, they are a perfect spacious solution for storage and organization. You can make it larger or occupy just a few squares of your bedroom to make your own wardrobe kingdom. Once you have decided on the space, it's time to think about design. Closet rooms can be proper rooms or half-hidden corners, and these closet room areas can be proof of these. Recent trends are to leave them open and to make bedroom look tidier and more spacious. The L-shaped closet are positioned between two of the room's walls. The U ones on the other hand occupy more space but they look more interesting. Practice shows that straight closets are the most functional choice since their side enable maximal storage and there is always some extra space for a vintage mirror and an ottoman for their visitors. We would recommend it not to stray for the style you are already employed in the bedroom. Continue and add the same color palette, furnishing and accessories. Assuming you have enough space in your closet room, you could benefit from a removable dressing item in the middle. The item can play the role of dressing island where you pile different items before making the lifetime decision of what to wear. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video, then subscribe my YouTube channel. If you get any help, then comment down below. Thank you.